Okay, so another concept that we do have in data architecture when you're architecting the data of an organization is what we call scalability. You should become familiar with the aspect of scalability. Now, scalability is that you should be able to increase the capacity of the system to improve performance and handle the demand. For example, you're going to have a high rate of queries that are hitting a certain system in a particular time of day or in a particular time of season. So the system should be able to perform regardless the demand of it being required to be used by other users. Uh, so under scalability, there are things like elasticity, reliability, and then availability, reliability. So the availability is that here we are saying that the system should be in operable state like 100% of the time. That's what availability means. Then elasticity. Elasticity means we're able to scale up and scale down as the demand arises or increases. So we can scale down if we can scale down if the demand is so low, and then we can scale up if the demand is so high. So let's say it's going maybe to Easter season and people are sending various transactions on mobile money. So the MTN organization should be able to scale up and be able to process all those transactions. That's what we call elasticity. Then when those festive seasons are done, it can be able to scale down. So that's what we're talking about. Those are the reduced let's say the demand is now reduced. Yeah. Then so there's what we call vertical scaling and then horizontal scaling. This is something I wanted to talk about. Now, vertical scaling is when you get a computer and then you increase its RAM, you increase its processing power, you increase its storage power. That is vertical. But we have a problem. That single machine may fail. So if it fails, that's when we have something they call distributed systems. You find that there's a leader node, one computer that is leading all the other computers. So this leader node is given work and then it distributes that work within those different nodes. They call them nodes. So that's another way like of a distributed system. You're going to find that most of the data warehouse technologies, like that's how they work. When you look at Amazon Redshift, like that's how it works. That's how it goes. They do have one leader node, and then they do have other, other nodes that are getting the instructions on how to perform a specific task from that leader node, and then they do the tasks. Then another concept that you need to hear about is within the next video. I think you'll tune in and get to listen to it. But this is just a series of just the major concepts that one needs to know when they're doing data architecture.